Well, drivers certainly are not the only ones dealing with this mess.
Trains and buses were delayed because of all the snow. CBS News' Bauman live now at Port Authority Bus Terminal with the latest from there. Allie.
Well, Maurice, since the roads were so bad this afternoon, many people left work early, hoping to beat the rush on mass transit. That plan backfired for most. People are still waiting in line to board, and the Port Authority says buses are still struggling to just get here. Packed NJ Transit platforms, commuters making a mad dash to trains at Penn Station. But at least they're moving.
4.5 hours.
And where are you trying to get to? The Port Authority bus terminal has been at a near standstill since the afternoon.
I got here at 4:30. They had the first, second, and third floors closed till about 8 o'clock. And then once we got to the gate, the line was 500 deep.
With so many buses delayed or canceled, officials had to shut the doors to second and third floor terminals due to overcrowding.
I've been here 25 years. I've never known them to shut down the floors before.
This has been the worst I've seen it. It's been unreal.
Port Authority has been shuffling riders around without a clear timeline for departures.
Waiting, hungry, we need to go home, rest.
Right now, there's nobody around and there's no buses, and we'll keep waiting.
It hasn't been much better at the GWB bus station in Washington Heights.
This is worse than a blackout like 10 years ago.
Port Authority tried urging riders to take a train or ferry home instead, but even ferry lines wrapped unusually long.
I'm shocked that a transit system could be shut down for a couple of, not even an inch of snow and rain.
I hope we're going to make it home sooner before midnight.
Well, Port Authority did post signs on the door warning of the wait after rush hour was over. We'll see how the morning commute goes, if of course anyone has the energy to get back on mass transit in a few hours. We're live from the Port Authority bus terminal. Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.